Today we will learn we will recall how to multiply and divide monomials. So before that, recall muna natin yung mga rules of exponent in multiplying and in dividing exponents with same base. So let's have a raised to m times a raised to n. A will serve as the base and m and n are the different exponents. In multiplying exponents with same base, you can have a raised to m plus n. And then in dividing or in fraction, a raised to n, we can have a raised to m minus n. And if we encounter a negative exponent, we will just get the reciprocal. So 1 over a raised to 1. And how to use this? Ito. I give you example. So for multiplying with same base, ano yun? A raised to m times a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. For example, we have x raised to 5 times x cubed. If you are going to expand x raised to 5, we have x times x times x times x times x. Bakit 5x yan? Kasi yung exponent niya dito ay 5. Yung exponent niya dito ay 5. Therefore, 5 times doon natin i-multiply yung base niya na x sa sarili niya. Okay? Next, how about x cubed? We can have x times x times x. Tatlong x lang din. Bakit tatlo lang? Kasi yung exponent niya dito tatlo lang din, or 3. So if you're going to multiply x times 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 x, we can have a product of x raised to 8. So ano ibig sabihin nun? Ano ibig sabihin nun? Walang beses minultiply yung x sa sarili niya. So that is x raised to 8. If you are going to use or apply itong rules of exponent, we just simply add. Kung si m ay 5 or si n ay 3, so we can have 5 plus 3, we have 8. Let's say, copy the common base or same base, then 5 plus 3, you have x raised to 8. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-expand pa, magsulat pa na napakahabang ganyan. You will just add the exponent kapag pareho yung base nila. Another example. B raised to 7 times B raised to 3. Again, parehong base nila ay B. So, operation natin, multiplication. Then we will just add the exponent. So, b raised to 7 plus 3, then we can have b raised to 10. Kahit hindi mo pa i-expand yan. Another example. X raised to 5, y raised to 3, times x, y, z. Again, ano nga pala ang exponent kapag walang nakalagay? Ano exponent ng mga variables na to kung walang nakalagay naman sa taas na power? Okay, meron pa rin yung 1. Commonly, hindi lang siya nilalagay, pero meron siyang exponent na 1. Okay, let us multiply. So we have x raised to 5, and then x naman dito. Same base sila, so sila yung pwede nating i-multiply. So x raised to 5 times x raised to 1. Again, copy the same base, x, and then add the exponent 5 plus 1. And what is this x raised to 5 plus 1? That is x raised to 6. Next, we can have y raised to 3 or y cubed times y. Y cubed times y. So they have the same base, y. Sulat natin, y. And then add natin yung exponent niya. Then you can have y raised to 4. How about z? Ang gagawin natin kay z? Wala naman dito si z. Copy na lang natin siya kasi wala nang kaparehong base dito. So, unique factor na natin siya. Copy na natin. Therefore, x raised to 5 y cubed times x y z is equal to x raised to 6 y raised to 4 z. So, yan na yung product niya. Ganyan din tayo mag-multiply ng monomials. By the way, x raised to 5 and y raised to 3, ito, monomials itong tinatawag. Why? Kasi one term lang siya. Another example. It's just different color naman. Let's have 20xy squared times 3xy raised to 5. Ayan. So first, we need to multiply all the numerical coefficient. Ano yung numerical coefficient? Yung 20 tsaka si 3. What is 20 times 3? 60. 20 times 3. So, ayusin natin ang sulat. You can multiply the numerical coefficient 20 and 3. So 20 times 3, we have 60 times, let's have x. We have here x times x. Again, may exponent pa rin sila na 1 and 1. So x times x, we have x squared kasi meron silang exponent na 1. So x raised to 1 plus 1, kakaroon tayo ng x squared. Then we have y naman. Ito, magkapareho sila ng base. So we can now add their exponent since multiplication naman. We can have 2 plus 5. Then, that is equal to y raised to 7. Therefore, 20xy squared times 3xy raised to 5 is equal to 60x squared y raised to 7. Okay, that's how we multiply monomials. Another rule, we have a raised to m over a raised to n. So same base yan na a, then we will just subtract the exponent m minus n. Another, we have a raised to negative 1. If you encounter negative exponent, then magkakaroon na tayo ng reciprocal para maging positive yung exponent. I mean, a pala dapat. Yan. So for example, dito muna tayo sa rules na to. If we have b raised to 5 over b raised to 3, if you're going to expand b raised to 5, meaning 5 times 2 na minultiply si b, so b times b times b times b times b divided by tatlong b ulit kasi b cube naman. b times b times b.
So, pag nag-divide tayo ng ganyan, pwede na natin i-cancel yung mga common factors na makikita sa numerator and denominator. Let's say we have this one, b divided by b. By the way, when we cancel, hindi ibig sabihin na 0 yun. b divided by b is 1. So, when we divide same numbers, let's say 1 divided by 1, 1 pa rin yun. 2 divided by 2, 1 pa rin yun. So, let's say b divided by b, still 1. Pero hindi na natin siya nilalagay. Okay. Let's try to use red pen. Wait lang. So b divided by b is 1. b divided by b is 1. And b divided by b is 1. So, na-cancel na natin sila. Ano nga yung mga naiwan? b times b. And what is b times b? That is b squared. If you are going to follow the rules, ito, a raised to m over a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Meaning, if you have the same base, you just need to subtract the exponent. So here, b raised to 5 over b cubed is also equal to this. B raised to 5 over b cubed is also equal to b raised to 5 minus 3. And what is 5 minus 3? That is b raised to 2. Pareho lang sila. So, yun yun. Another example. Another example, we have 20x raised to 5 over 5x. Let us divide. What is 20 divided by 5? Okay, we have 4. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. And then we can now subtract the exponent. Since pareho silang x, subtract natin yung exponent. Eh, ito ma'am, walang exponent. Wala nga ba yan? Meron. Hindi lang nilalagay natin yung exponent kasi 1 lang yung exponent niya. So we can have 4x raised to 5 minus 1. And what is 5 minus 1? That is 4x raised to 4. Okay? 5 minus 1, that is 4. So 20x raised to 5 divided by 5x is equal to 4x raised to 4. Another example. 20x cubed y raised to 5 over 4xy squared. Okay. Let us divide first the numerical coefficient. 20 divided by 4, ilan? 5. Okay. Next, we can have x naman. So, x raised to, ano exponent niya? 3 minus, itong 3 minus 1. And then y raised to 5 minus 2. Then we can have a quotient of 5. X, 3 minus 2, that is, 3 minus 1, that is 2. So x raised to 2. And then y raised to 5 minus 2, that is 3. So ito na yun. Okay? How about this one? Y raised to 3 divided by y raised to 5. If we are going to expand this, we have y times y times y. Ma'am, bakit tatlong y lang? Kasi exponent niya ay 3. Ito, ilang y? 5. Y times y times y times y times y. Again, we can only cancel yung factors na makikita. Pareho dapat ha sa numerator and sa denominator. So we can cancel y. Y divided by y is 1. Y divided by y is 1. Y divided by y is 1. So anong remaining factors dito sa numerator? Wala na ako nakikita ang ibang number. Ano ilalagay ko po sa sagot? Again, may factors sila na 1. So 1 times 1 times 1, still have 1. And then ano natira dito? Multiply the remaining factors. We have y times y, that is y squared. Simply, kapag sinunod natin yung format ng rules na a raised to negative 1 is equal to 1 over a raised to 1. Applicable siya dito. Let us subtract. Same base, y. Then, we have here 3 minus 5. So, 3 minus 5 is equal to y raised to negative 2. Ayan, pumasok na si negative. So, since negative yan, you will rewrite it sa magiging reciprocal na siya. So, 1 over y raised to 2. So, pareho lang din siya dito. Okay? Another example. Let's have, ano ba, 10 xy raised to 5 all over 2 x raised to 6y. 10 divided by 2, we have 5. Okay? Then x has an exponent of 1 minus 6. Diba? 1 minus 6. You can have your 1 minus 6. And then y can have 5 minus 1. Di ba may 1 yung exponent na invisible? So 5 minus 1, we have 4. So 5 minus 1 muna tayo. Yan. Rewrite natin isa-isa. So we have here 5 times, what is x raised to raised to 1 minus 6? X raised to negative 5. Y raised to 5 minus 1, that is y raised to 4. Notice may negative tayo dito. So si x raised to negative 5, mapupunta na siya ngayon sa denominator kasi reciprocal na siya. So magkakaroon tayo ng 5 times 1 over x raised to 5. Ayan, nawala na yung negative sign niya dito. Y raised to 4. In short, mapupunta lang talaga yung negative sa baba. So magkakaroon tayo ng 5 y raised to 4 over x raised to positive 5. Ma'am, bakit binaba niyo lang naman yung x eh? Bakit siya napunta sa baba or denominator? Dahil negative yung exponent niya dito. Okay? Question? Kung may question kayo, doon na lang tayo sa unit natin. That's all for today. Thank you.